I cleared the collapsed shed, but the scrap wood is still lying there. I'm collecting the wall panels for disposal. The place I used before should take them. I'll take them once I have more. Time to pile the metal here. I could get 10,000 yen for it at a scrapyard. But I told my dad's friend he's welcome to take it for free if he wants. I really should cut this pipe, but it's just not worth the time. Look at these scattered granite stones. Anyway, I've delayed cleaning my parents' place to prioritize clearing the old ostrich shed. I placed these stones here years ago. Check my older videos for the backstory. The non-Japanese audio and subtitles aren't perfect yet, but I'm working on them every day. I'm making progress, just like clearing my inherited land. My creations are here to stay, and the trash won't pile up on the land I've cleared. I'll clear this annoying ditch. I had no idea this shovel was the perfect size until I inherited the place. It was just sitting in Dad's shed. I wonder if my dad used to clean the ditch out too. If this much built up in just the 3 years since I took over, maybe my dad actually kept the front of the house pretty clean. My dad never once told me to study, but he did tell me one thing. Don't ever be a burden to others. That was his only real lesson. I tried to live by that, though I'm not sure if I'm actually succeeding. And, for a guy who told me not to be a burden, he sure left a lot of trouble for me, his son, to deal with. Looking back, there was a clear hierarchy in our home back then, and family roles felt pretty set in stone. I grew up in that environment, and eventually I decided to leave home. As for the inheritance, people on the outside might think I should just walk away from it. but circumstances make that impossible, which is why I'm fighting. I wanted to run away, but my wife told me to stand my ground, so I chose to fight.